Welcome to Aquatics Live YouTube channel.
Hi, welcome back, guys. Well, I lost some footage here, and I'm having to do a bit of voiceover on this. But this is just a recap of where we're at right now on the bike. So I did do some modifications to the bike, so I'm going to show that coming up here. And then this is the video where we're going to kind of ride it too. So we did get all the accessories installed here. So right here we're talking about, I made this tank riser, and I raised it up about an inch here, and then I made provisions in that tank riser so the cable could go through the center there. It's just it dips down a little bit, and that makes it so I can just keep using things and for the back of the bike for the brakes there. So and then I made these 3D printed these clamps here on the forward side of that hose and the rear side of the hose. It really locks it down and keeps it firm, and I just couldn't find a clamp that fit on there very well. So now we're looking at that. So we'll get the rear sprocket here. I installed that. I had some work there, so I made this plastic 3D printed a hub adapter piece to go in the middle there, and that really did work out well. So it's crimped on there. So now I had the spark plug is very difficult to install, so I made this, cut down a spark plug socket to make it work for that. We have the cabling and stuff. I did go through and I covered up some of the cables just to make them look a little nicer, and then I installed this cable, the pedal extender here from CH Power. That made it so my pedals don't hit the exhaust anymore. And so now we got the clutch lever up here, and this is a locking piece that I made for it, so it's easier to lock into place, and sure does make for a smoother operating situation there. So that's about it, and now I've got to finish getting the rest of the covers on. All right, I think we are ready to go out for our test here. I just installed the magneto cover over here, and the clutch cover on this side, or whatever you want to call that. So I'll just hope for the best. Kind of a mess in here. I gotta get that stuff put away, but so see you outside. All right, we're outside. I'm gonna try to get it started. That's the spot where you guys laugh at me, is I don't know what I'm doing and fall over, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna walk the camera down the yard here, and we'll kind of set you up so you can see me coming down, I hope, and that's the best I can do. And then after I get done, I will try to figure out a way that I can record with the camera mounted to me and go for a ride. But it's pretty cold out too, so it's like 32 degrees right now, so just freezing. So gonna be a chilly ride, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, you can hear me. All right, so let's walk up there and we'll give it a shot.
Just giving it some gas. I have the choke on, so let it warm up just a little bit. It's so hilly over here, and the ground's rough, so it's hard to pedal. Oh. Alright, well, we'll try it again. It died. Okay. So keep it going. Okay, well, I had to push the bike up the hill, but I got it running again up here, and we'll take it for a ride. Kind of figured out a chest harness thing. It might get crooked because it doesn't seem to hold straight, but we're gonna give this a shot. I don't know. Let's try to do it like that so you can kind of see the bike. I don't know. We'll see how this goes. I do have the idle up pretty high, but another motorized bicycle riding by. That's pretty cool. Well, going up a hill right away. Not exactly taking it easy on it, but I'm only like an eighth of the throttle. It's really, 32 degrees. Pretty cold. Out riding. Oh, really no pedaling at all. They just up that hill. Pretty good balance. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I don't know. Oh, we got lucky green light too. I guess we're going close to 30. We're kind of staying up with everybody. 25 maybe. I don't know. They tend to speed through here, so I don't know. I'm gonna go into this parking lot here. Turn around. For a little ride. I'm gonna definitely have to wait till it warms up. It's pretty dangerous. There's some ice spots there too. I don't know, pedaling right up the hill. Yeah. We've got tons of power. Only at like quarter throttle. I don't want to do any damage to it. My face is frozen, so I'm heading back home, and I'll wait till a little bit warmer time to go for another ride or put some more gear on. Well, hopefully the camera's not too crooked, but I'm not doing this recording a second time here, so try to be quiet. Alright, there we go, guys. First ride on the motorized bicycle. Went pretty good. I got my the idle set really high. I need to turn that down. But other than that, it was running great. So I'm not gonna do any tuning to it or anything until I've got lots of riding time into it, and then we'll, as it breaks in, maybe give it some tune up the carb a little bit. But it seems pretty good to me. Thanks, guys. See you next week. Or if I'll have another. I have another video planned, but I'm not sure if if I'll be able to get much of that recorded this weekend, but hopefully. Anyway, thanks guys.